masters of disguise. These army tank-looking creatures blend into their surroundings and hunt for prey. Flamboyant cuttlefish are cephalopods with 8 arms and 2 tentacles they use for feeding. Ready? Aim, fire! Cuttlefish have excellent eyesight and are believed to see in ultraviolet light. They change the color of their skin perfectly to their surroundings, sneaking up on fish, crabs, and shrimp that live in the sand. Many species of cuttlefish swim, but the flamboyant cuttlefish crawls along the bottom of the ocean. Look closely. Can you see the animals in the sand it is hunting? The flamboyant cuttlefish gets its name because of the color displays it is capable of producing. But it does these only when it is alarmed. Who Lives in the Sea DVD is a must-have for any child. Children will meet whale sharks, octopus, and blue-footed booby birds. Buy yours today.